Excitement is building across the drone community as fresh leaks hint at what might be DJI's most ambitious creation yet, the DJI Avata 360. Just as pilots were diving deep into the DJI Neo 2's features, new images began flooding the internet, stirring massive curiosity and debate. At first glance, many believed these early visuals showed a prototype of the upcoming Avata 3, but that assumption didn't last long. It quickly became clear that this was something entirely different. The Avata 360 appears to represent a bold leap forward, a groundbreaking hybrid drone that merges DJI's FPV technology with an advanced 360-degree camera system, all packed into a sleek, high-performance machine. This marks a major turning point for DJI, as the company seems ready to blur the boundaries between its cinematic and FPV drone lineups. Instead of offering two separate tools for filmmakers and racers, DJI seems to have fused them into one powerful unit capable of switching between immersive 360-degree shooting and fast, agile FPV flight. The secret behind this versatility is said to be a smart rotating gimbal design. In 360 mode, the drone reportedly uses two ultra-wide lenses, one facing upward, one downward, to record everything around it. This setup produces the striking invisible drone effect, where the aircraft vanishes from the shot, giving the illusion of a floating camera. When switched to FPV mode, the gimbal cleverly rotates, concealing the lower lens and exposing a forward-facing camera tuned for fast, cinematic flight. This dual personality gives the Avata 360 an edge never before seen in consumer drones. It's designed for creators who want cinematic freedom and FPV pilots who crave the rush of dynamic control. From a technical standpoint, it's equally impressive. Each lens is rumored to capture a 180-degree field of view at 4K resolution, and through AI-assisted stitching, the footage is merged into breathtaking 8K 360-degree video. This drastically reduces the time spent on heavy post-production editing. For FPV enthusiasts, the drone supports up to 5,000 video at 60 frames per second, producing silky smooth footage even during tight turns or high-speed dives. And for still shooters, it delivers 30-megapixel photos, with panoramic 360 shots reaching an incredible 120 megapixels. Underneath that sleek shell lies serious power. The Avata 360 reportedly comes with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, plus microSD support for extended recording sessions. It's said to run on DJI's advanced O4+ transmission system, giving pilots up to a 20-kilometer range under ideal conditions. Despite housing dual lenses and a rotating gimbal, it manages a solid 25-minute flight time, impressive for such a complex machine. DJI clearly focused on optimizing efficiency without compromising performance. Safety and flight intelligence also appear to have taken a big step forward. In FPV mode, the Avata 360 is rumored to feature front LiDAR sensors, rear optical sensors, and downward infrared sensors for improved obstacle detection and navigation. In 360 mode, the very cameras used for recording may double as an all-round sensing network, providing environmental awareness from every direction. Combined with next-gen subject tracking powered by AI, the drone could lock onto and follow subjects seamlessly, even during rapid motion, a feature inspired by DJI's Mini 5 and Neo 2 series. DJI seems to be preparing several versions of the Avata 360 to meet different creative needs. The standard package will likely cater to filmmakers and content creators, while specialized FPV bundles could include motion controllers, goggles, and extra batteries. Hardcore FPV pilots who prefer manual flying will need the FPV Controller 3, which will be sold separately. While this drone's capabilities are nothing short of revolutionary, it's not necessarily aimed at beginners. Handling 360 footage requires strong editing skills and hardware capable of managing high-resolution data, and FPV flying itself takes experience and practice. But for advanced users, the creative potential is limitless, from breathtaking cinematic sequences to immersive VR-ready footage and extreme sports videography. The Avata 360's engineering seems to prioritize both resilience and stability. Its design protects the bottom lens during high-speed FPV maneuvers, and DJI has reportedly fine-tuned the materials and weight balance to maintain agility despite the added hardware. Every component appears purpose-built to achieve harmony between strength, precision, and fluid motion, reflecting DJI's ongoing push to merge performance with artistry. If the leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 won't just be another drone, it could redefine aerial storytelling. By combining AI imaging, advanced tracking, and true dual-mode flight, it blurs the line between filmmaking and FPV performance. For creators seeking ultimate flexibility, it's shaping up to be a dream machine, equally capable of cinematic landscapes and pulse-racing flight paths. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new chapter in drone evolution. But alongside the excitement for the Avata 360, DJI fans have faced a bit of disappointment regarding another awaited product, the DJI Pocket 4. Initially expected to launch by the end of this year, the compact vlogging camera has reportedly been delayed due to accessory production issues. While the main camera hardware is said to be ready, sources suggest the release has been pushed back to January 2026. The Pocket 4 has already shown up in FCC filings, revealing a 20% larger battery than its predecessor, the Pocket 3, which fueled hopes for a 2025 launch. The delay has left fans frustrated, especially amid uncertainty about potential restrictions on DJI's products in the US, adding to the confusion. A viral leak from popular tech insider Gore showed two prototype camera bodies mounted on a test RIG. The images instantly divided opinions online. Some viewers believe DJI is testing the Pocket 4 prototypes side by side, while others think the setup is being used to experiment with different lens weights for balance and motor performance. A third theory suggests one of those cameras is actually the real Pocket 4, cleverly disguised with tape and test labels to hide its true design. Despite the mystery, a closer look at the leaked photos reveals important details. The gimbal motors appear thicker and more durable than those on the Pocket 3, and the gimbal arm looks reinforced, hinting that it's built to support heavier lenses. The camera head sits slightly farther forward, which usually indicates a design tailored for more advanced optics. All signs point toward DJI testing a genuine, high-performance camera unit. Leaks also suggest the Pocket 4 could shoot 6K video at 60 frames per second, include a variable aperture from f/2 f/4, feature upgraded image processing, and possibly support full 360-degree panning. If true, it could become the most capable handheld camera DJI has ever produced. Altogether, the unfolding stories of the Avata 360 and Pocket 4 paint a clear picture. DJI is once again redefining creativity in motion. The Avata 360 is poised to revolutionize aerial videography, while the Pocket 4 could elevate handheld content creation to new cinematic heights. From the skies to the palm of your hand, DJI's innovation streak shows no signs of slowing down. And if these leaks hold true, 2026 might just be the year DJI completely reshapes how creators capture the world.